Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to set up my menu on the Samsung A6400. Let's begin. In order to even get to my menu options, first we want to go to simply my menu right here. And now we want to scroll using clicking the right side of our little scroll wheel until we get into this star right here. And as you can see, this is my menu setting. Currently, only thing we can do is add an item because we don't have any kind of items. So let's do that. We can click on it. And now we can scroll through every single kind of item that we could possibly do in order to basically fully customize our custom menu. So as you can see, there are plenty of those. I will go with ISO setting. And as you can see, we can add this to location. We can't really do anything here, so we'll just go with enter. And now we have added. If we go back, we will see that we do have my menu setting. If we go to the left, we can see that we have my menu, and in here we have a nice shortcut to ISO settings, which is really important. Now we can go back, we can add some more. I will add maybe exposure. So now I've added two things, and maybe we can add one last thing. So for example, I think focus mode is pretty important. So we will add, of course we can also create other menus, as you can see. I will add everything to same menu. Now we have three things in our custom menu. We can go back to it. And as you can see, we have those three settings. If we go back to the settings, we can sort our items. So for example, we can select our focus mode and we can move it to the top or to the middle. I will now move it to the top. And as you can see, the focus mode is on the top. So we can, this is probably the easiest access you can have with this focus mode. Now we can simply go back using menu. And if we go back to our settings, we can see that our focus mode is indeed at the top of our custom My Menu. If we click on it, we can of course use our focus mode and you can switch it to something else. So I will cancel it. And lastly, we have the ability to delete stuff. As you can see, our exposure comp is grayed out, so we can't really click on it because this operation or setting is not available as follows. So we can remove this. In order to remove this, I will now go to my menu setting, delete item, click on it, select exposure comp, hit enter, OK. And now I have successfully removed an item from my custom menu. And we can do the same thing with pages, because as you can see, we can fully cleanse our My Menu setting, or we can delete a whole page, though currently we only have one page, so this will remove everything. But yeah, I think that's all for tutorial on how to use My Menu settings. I do think it is an incredible function, especially it's just really handy and convenient and all of that. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.